Hello viewers, today we will discuss the search, means how to search any data. As we know, searching records is very important to manage customer or any data, and that helps to quickly find the information within the systems. So in this session, we will discuss different type of search and some features on the search functionality. In our roadmap, still we are on the end user track. Refer to the video description for the playlist and the related session information. Thanks for your subscription. Please subscribe if you haven't already. In this session, we are going to cover different types of search. For example, a global search, advanced find, and a quick find. Those are the three types of search available. And we will discuss some other features. The first one is a global search. Users have options to perform queries or a search simultaneously across multiple entities or multiple tables. We can configure the tables that needs to be included on the search using a quick view. Right? Our quick view is one of the view type. Using that view, and then we can select the columns. What are the search we need to be? What are the column needs to be searched on that specific table? And we have opportunity. We have maximum. We can configure maximum 10 tables. No, it can be anything. It can be out of the box table, or it's our custom table. And then we can configure total of 1,000 fields overall. In that, 50 fields generally it's occupied or taken by the database search. So as a user or a system administrator, we have options to configure 950 fields, okay, in total, including all the fields. So in our CRM systems, in the top navigations, and if you look at here is a search icon here. So this one is called global search. What it means, it's we can able to search with the multiple entities. So click on here, and then I'm going to say research. Just I'm typing. Sorry. See. So it means there is no keywords on a system. I'm going to say asterisk. So it means wildcard search. I'm going to do a wildcard search. So it finds the word called research in account, contact, and it finds in other activities as well. Okay, again, still it's an activities, and we discuss again. There's another table if you're storing all kind of activities. So it finds the wildcard search. It finds all these tables, right? And then if you can say it, if you can be able to filter it out based on now. Okay, if you have multiple results, we can able to find out, okay, display only this one from the contact one. We can same thing, we can able to select some other entity as well on this list. Okay, the next one is basically how the quick view, right? It's how the system is searching, right? So we are defining the columns on each one of the table. So in this case, opening an account entity, go to views, and then if you see quick find active accounts, right? So that's a quick find view. Click on a quick find. You should be able to see it in the right hand menu right hand side, find by. So these are the columns. It's by default, or system is defined so far. So we can click on edit find table columns, and then you can be able to add any other column accessory. For example, you want to add city, you can say you add it here. So when you're searching, so system can able to search in this selected on this, right? So 6 fields from this account table. Like that, now each table, now you can select them on a specific field so that the global search can go and search it. Okay, so and then as I said, it's a 10 tables, right? Or no, the 10 tables basically it allows here. And then go to your system administrator. Basically, if you go to the systems settings, advanced settings, and then go to administration, and then system settings. In the system setting, a little bit down, and then you can be able to see it, so select entities on a categorized search. Click on that. That's where the tables are selected here. Say for example, in this case, now we have currently in there 7 of them, and then you can say some other article, I can say it. Okay, so going forward, search in article also. You can select like this and any table, for example here. So and then you can see it maximum up to 10 tables. You can do that here. And then another one is already we selected what are the columns using the table. Okay, so for this now we have a few options or configuration we need to make sure. So in our each environment, make sure you turn on the database search to make it work. And then one other thing, basically, we can able to find out what are the all the columns, basically, the system is going to index, so that you can get the search results, right? So if I open any one of, in this is a demo solution. In this demo solution, if you look at here, is in this right hand side, 2% of the columns is used for the index for the search here. And then overall the environment, it basically think about all other solutions, and 31 percentage, it means 299 fields so far it's selected for the search criteria. And then we can able to select manage search index in this solution, right? In this solutions we have a two entity added, and that's how for this one. But overall, if you can say the 299 fields already we added here. So to test it out, you can go to some other solutions. I'm going to say default solutions, and then go to the overview, and then the database search. We should be able to see all of the tables we configured so far. So indexed 39 tables, basically that's what it says. And each table, basically it says how many columns it's indexed. Okay, uh, because for the search needs to work, so we need to index the column, right? So these are the things. So you remember, right? No, in our content default was in a not 8 columns. I remember it. So how that works, basically, in the 8 columns, column number, the count it based on the types, basically. Generally, the lookup, it takes the 3 count, I mean 3 column count. Option set takes 2 column count. All other fields, it takes a 1 column. Okay, so think about if it is a 15 columns here, it does not mean a specifically said 15 columns, but it could be definitely it's less based on the types here. So the second search is advanced find. So basically you can able to select a table, a specific table, say for example, a contact table, contact, and then a related table. Okay, related to the contact table. So the first one we set global search, which searches for the 10 tables we selected. But the advanced find is basically you can select the base table and then the related to that base tables. Okay, to find out here, so basically I'm going to the systems, and then say in the top menu bar you can see that the funnel type, that's called advanced find. Okay, so since now when you click on here, basically you are selecting then base table. Say for example, I'm selecting them base tables contact, then say continue, and then we should be seeing that by default it shows the view, because we selected the contact one, but and then it shows the filter areas. Okay, so here that's where the filter comes into place. In this, by default it shows ticks from my active contact, that's ticks by default, but you can remove, you can remove and add everything. Say for example, I can add here, and then I can add one more row, city equal to Minneapolis. I don't know whether we have any results, but and then also basically we can say another related entity, or related table. So I'm going to say for a contact related to account, and then I can say account number contains data. Okay, something, if you look at here, is the base table is a contact, and the related, you can go drill down in many tables. You can, again, you can add another related table here. So you can say no, another whatever the tables are related to the contact, you can able to add many one of them. So here I can say another contracts, right? Because that's another one, or I can say it case related to this contact. Okay, so I can able to filter it out many, in for a one base table, and then related to the table. So that's what it's basically, it's a advanced find. The third one is a quick find. Basically, it's quick find is searching on a single table or single entity. Okay, and it searches using the same thing, quick find view, right? Because same thing, that whatever the global search uses the same columns, it uses the same type, but it is filtered only, searches is only the single table, using that as a specific view. Okay, so we'll go to the CRM, and say for example I'm in an account entity, and then if you see the right hand column said filter by keyword, that's where the search comes to place for the specific view. Say if for example in here I'm in my active account, and then it's going to search corporation, I'm going to use a wildcard. So, and it searches here, right? And then it searches this view, current view. And then I'm going to select another view, for example, inactive accounts. Here, I'm going to search the same thing, corporation, because it would find in this view. Okay, if you think about it, a quick find is basically searching on a specific view where you are currently are in. Okay, you can select any one of the views, and then the search is only on the specific view here. Okay, and the same token, the another one is we can say a subgrid. No, the quick find. Say I'm here, I'm in an account entity, and then I go to contacts to display the all the contacts for this account, and then you can find the search here. Again, this go and finds search on this contact associated view. Okay, so quick find is ideally it's a only one table on the based on the view also, and it searches the main view and subgrid. Okay, so that's the quick find. So apart from this main three searches, we have some other features like filtering, record navigation, and something like that. So for example, now I'm in a global search, I search research, right? And then it shows account contact all the tables, it has the word called research. I can able to filter it out. So I say, for example, here I can say display only from a contact one, and then we can able to navigate when we're clicking on this record. So ideally if you go to contact here, and then the specific contact record, and then we can able to do some other actions here. Say for example in another one, I'm in quick find, and then I'm searching something called the same thing, corporation. When we get the results basically here, right, and then you can do a normal account specific activities here. Okay, so that's all about the three search and then related some of the features. Today we learned about the search, how search works, and the different types of uh, search in end user track. Next we will discuss views, basically what type of views available and then how to create a personal views. See you on the next views. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.